Hey guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I already did my base, as in my eyebrows, my foundation, highlight, contour, and all of that, but we're just gonna get right into the eye look, okay? So of course I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette first, and I'm going in with this medium brown shade. Yeah, just with a regular fluffy brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, y'all. I think it's the 101 blending brush or something like that, but yeah, this is like my favorite brush of all time, and I'm just putting that directly into the transition area, which is right below the brow bone and right above the crease. So now I'm going in with the Sigma tapered brush. Let me see what number it is. I think it is it's the E40 brush. I'm going in with that nice burnt orange shade, and I'm putting that directly into the crease because I do want this to be a super warm look, very fall themed, because of course this is for Thanksgiving and you want to slay with your Thanksgiving colors. Now I'm going in with this burgundy shade with the Sigma E25 brush. Yes, the E25 brush, and I'm placing that directly into the crease because I want this look to be very sultry, very smoky, but very fall. As you can see, I'm placing the color into the crease as well as the outer V. I did that with both the burnt orange shade as well as the burgundy shade because I wanted to have this cat eye effect. So I'm going in the crease and then the outer V. Now I'm going in with my favorite concealer right now. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11. I'm thinking about MAC, but the shade C11, and I'm just taking a little bit on a flat brush and I'm just cutting the crease, honey. This is going to be a half cut crease. For some reason, for my eye shape, I just like to do this step because it just makes my eyes appear a little bit larger than they are. But I'm going in with the flat brush with those two shimmer shades out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm placing it right over that concealer. All it does is just makes the lid tacky, and it just makes the shadow appear more opaque. So yeah, this is like a step that I feel like is required in order to get this look. If you are lighter than me, you probably don't have to do it, but I suggest you do it because, you know, after you're done putting all those dark vampy shades on, you kind of want to bring your lid back up to a skin tone color in order for this color to really be brought out. Now with the same Sigma E25 brush, I'm going in with that chocolatey brown shade, and I'm placing that right on the outer V. I just want to smoke it out a little bit more because I don't want it to just be, you know, that orange shade. I want it to be, you know, a little bit deeper, more smoky. And then I'm going to go over the center. Y'all, I can't even explain it. So in between the outer V, which is what I'm doing right now, I'm placing this orange shade right in between it and the shimmer shadow. So it's almost gonna be a ombre effect, and I love doing this. It just makes the eye look just so good to me. It doesn't just look like light and then dark. It's like it fades. Like I said, ombre. So yeah, I'm doing that, and then we're going to add some glitter. Okay, so this is the Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow by NICKA. I picked this up from my local beauty supply store, you guys. I think it was like $1.99. Like, this is such a steal. It reminds me of the Stila glitter shadows, or whatever you want to call them, the liquid glitter. They are so fire. So go get you one. And then I'm going in with that same burnt orange shade with a pencil brush. I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line. And then I wanted to show you guys this part because a lot of people ask me how I get my moles to show through my makeup when I don't. They get covered up, so I just fill them in or cover them with, you know, a regular liner or whatever. And now I'm going in with some liquid line, well, not liquid liner, but gel liner on my waterline. I love this. It just makes my eyes pop even more, especially when you have like natural brown eyes. It just makes your eyes pop more. And I apply my mascara and lashes off camera. All that will be in the description box. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette with that shade that has hit pan a long time ago. And I'm placing that in my inner corners of my eye. I love to do this step. Of course, this is not a Makaya tutorial if I do not do this step. And then I'm going to use that same shade to highlight everywhere else, which is my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. Okay, honey? Cheekbones. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I am going to highlight my brow bone as well. I don't know how I forgot that because I cannot skip that step. It just brings the eye look all the way together. So please, if you've never tried to highlight your eyebrow bone, please try it because it will change your makeup life. Now, since I decided to go with a really orange fall themed eye look, I decided to go in with a orange blush, and this is the NYX, as in NYX, HD blush in the shade Double Dare. It is so gorgeous, especially for someone who is my skin tone. Like, it just makes our skin just look so bronzy, so like almost like summer, but it's not summertime, it's fall, but it just looks so good, you guys, so sun-kissed. Now, of course, you need to make sure you set all of that hard work that you worked on for an hour with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray, and it just makes my skin melt into one seamless canvas, or however you want to say it. But this is the Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Burgundy, and I'm going to use this because this is like, I think, my all-time favorite nude lip to do. So I wanted to do two different lip combos for you guys because I know some people, when they wear a more dramatic eye or more eyeshadow, they like to go nude. And then there are some people who don't mind going bold. So I wanted to do a nude lip and then a more bold lip. So I'm going in with the lip liner, and then I'm going in with this lipstick, you guys, and it is actually a drugstore lipstick. And I feel like it's a really good dupe for MAC Cosmetics. You guys, this lip color is so bomb. Okay, I think the lipstick is called Mannequin, but I'm not sure. Of course, it'll be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And then I'm going in with this lip gloss by NYX in the shade, not Truffle, what is it called? You guys, Fortune Cookie. It's called Fortune Cookie. I'm going in with that lip gloss. It's so bomb. This lip combo is so bomb. Yes, girl. Come on, give me face. Y'all, I'm so goofy when it comes to these makeup shot slow videos. Now I'm going in with that same lip liner because I wanted to put on some lip liner just so that the liquid lipstick doesn't bleed onto the rest of my face. And I'm going in with the liquid lipstick, and this is by the company Too Faced, and it is in the shade, what shade is this? Drop Dead Red. It's called Drop Dead Red, y'all. It's so bomb. I'm sure they still have it at like Sephora and Ulta, so this is a shade that is still available. But yeah, all of the products that I used in this video will be linked in the description box, so you don't have to worry about, you know, listening to this and remembering what product I said I was using, because it'll be in the description box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you decide to recreate it. Tag me in your Thanksgiving pictures with your Thanksgiving meals with your family members, because I'm sorry, but my subscribers need to be the ones that show up to Thanksgiving dinner, and everyone is like, oh my god, why would she come here with this full face on? Like, who's she trying to impress? So yeah, bye you guys.
When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here.